Motorola is all set to launch the successor of the last year launched Moto G84 smartphone as Moto G85, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster Evan Blass. According to leaks and other rumors, the Moto G85 will sport a tall curved OLED display, with a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a dual camera set up at the top left corner that will include one 50-megapixel main camera with OIS support. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. On the software front, the handset will likely run on Android 14 out of the box. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto G85 has leaked so far, and it is expected to be priced in Europe around €300 for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage option. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G85 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.